everyone, this is Lancelot. Today I'm going to teach you how to place the package in roll and in sheet.
Firstly, how to place in roll. First, prepare the shaft, fixing iron ring, screwdriver, and film. Fix film in the middle of the shaft. The 4 iron rings on the shaft need to be fixed, and the small screw need to be tightened. Now, please carefully fix the shaft on the bracket of the back of the printer and pay attention to the direction of the film when placing it. The printing surface of the film needs to be placed upward. The outward side is its printing side. Please lift the 3 paper rollers, and there is a small switch on the right. Then pour the film over the printing platform of the printer. In the meantime, you need to ensure that the film is tight and straight into the printer. Finally, please let the 3 paper rollers press the film, and press the film with the iron sheet on both sides. If you think the film is little clogged, you need to lift roller again. Readjust the film, and then let the paper rollers press the film.
The next, how to place the package in sheet.
First of all, you need to distinguish between the front and back of the film. The reflected side is the non-printing side, and the matte side is the printing side. Place the film on the pallet on the back of printer, and it is best to make the film close to the edges of pallet, so that the film can be straight enough when entering the printer. Lift the 3 paper rollers, then pour the film into printer. And finally, let the paper rollers press the film. Be sure to keep the film flat, otherwise it is easy to scratch the printer hand.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.